How to know if someone only sends you snaps on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can know if someone has sent only you a snap on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the best method on how we can know is simply go to the chat section, and here if any of your friend has sent you a snap personalized or with a text on it, there may be a chance that that person has sent you a snap to you only. If that person has mentioned you in that chat or the conversation continues with yours, then that may be one of the chance that that person has sent you a snap to you only. So that is one of the method on how you can find, but unfortunately Snapchat doesn't have the feature on to know on how if someone has sent you a snap to you only. So therefore I hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.